Good morning. Angel at House of Imports with a special build here for Mr. Eric Klein. He wanted that color, and this is a very, very nice truck. It's a Peterbilt 567 with the hoist system like he wanted it. And you can see the quality of this truck. It's a beauty. Polished tanks, new wheels. I mean, now the big blower, 4310 NVE, the best. USA, American made. Fully detailed to showroom condition. This truck is bitching, Eric. This truck is bitching. It's beautiful. All the new tires, the rims. That's what he wanted. Lights with the new style button. Two inlets. A special build bumper for Eric. Eric wanted a special build bumper. Heated valves. He need a heated valve. He's in a cold weather, very cold weather. Two inlets, like always. A lot of lights. He wanted LED lights. He wants a lot of lights to work at nighttime. Beautiful green color. Buyers heavy duty toolboxes. Buyers. American made. Very highly detailed. Polish. Like brand new. Again, Cummins ISX 425 horsepower. Fully serviced. The belts, the filters, like we do in every truck. All the filters are changed. The belts, whatever he needs. Heavy duty front spring suspension. Okay, like always. Now, the interior, look at this beautiful truck. Look at the carpets, look at the steering wheel. This truck is completely restored to showroom condition. Only at House of Imports. We don't cut corners. You get your money's worth at House of Imports. Goodbye, Eric. Thank you for the purchase. Come back soon so I can build you another one. Come back soon, Eric. Thank you, Eric.